Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make a fruit juice for healthy and glowing skin. This juice you are seeing on my countertop is naturally sweet and they are packed with natural nutrients. If you want to live healthy and glow your skin from inside out, then sit back. Let's dive right into the video. The fruit we have for the healthy and glowing skin are set on my countertop. As you can see, I carefully selected the best fruits for a healthy and skin glow. Once you start taking this fruit juice every day for 3 weeks, you will find out that your skin will start glowing naturally from inside out. It is not as if you are bleaching your skin, but the nutrient in the fruit will glow your skin naturally and it will make it so beautiful. I got pineapple here, I got apple, lemon, ginger, grape, orange and carrot. These are the best fruit for skin glowing. You can add or reduce if you so wish, okay? The benefit of adding pineapple in a healthy and glowing skin are numerous, but I will mention just a few. Pineapple are rich in vitamin C. It contains disease-fighting antioxidant that causes damages from inside out, causing dullness on the skin, premature aging, dry skin, and leave the skin looking hydrated and fresh. The vitamin C in pineapple also help to brighten up the skin from the inside out, so it gives that glow and brightness to your skin. Pineapple also help the system to detox itself. Meanwhile, pineapple are not only rich in vitamin C, but equally vitamin A, calcium and iron you need for your bones. That makes pineapple good for a healthy and glowing skin fruit. Now let's wash the fruit before peeling and cutting them. This stage is very important. I will wash with vinegar. You can also wash with salt to disinfect the peels before peeling them, okay? It's very important because a lot of hand has touched them before buying them. I will start with apple. Apple's antioxidant properties prevent cells and tissue damages. Apple contain abundant amount of elastin and collagen that help the skin young and glowing. When it comes to healthy and skin glowing, lemon does wonders in our body. Lemon are very rich in vitamin C and they fight against the negative effect of free radicals. It helps your skin become smooth, soft and glowing. The addition of lemon in this juice will lighten the scars and age spots on your skin. It has natural antibacterial properties which help to cure and prevent acne breakouts. Lemon helps to moisturize your skin and soften raw skin areas such as elbows and nails. It tones oily skin and fights off wrinkles, which makes the skin glowing and flawless. Carrot contains beta-carotene that gives carrots that orange color, which brightens your skin naturally. The beta-carotene in carrot is converted into vitamin A in your body, which helps to repair skin tissues while also protecting skin from harmful radiation. This is how I'll keep washing them one after the other till I'm done. But bear in mind, Virtuous family, that I will rinse them off again. But to save time, let's move over to the next stage. Now I will peel and cut the fruit in chunks to be easy for blending, and I'm starting with orange. Remember, you can add the orange peels for a better result if you want, because the vitamin C in the orange peels is higher than the vitamin C in the liquid. Sometimes I do add the peels if I'm the only person drinking it, but for today's juice I'm not going to add the peels because my kids are involved. But bear in mind that if you are adding the peels, it will make the juice bitter, okay? Orange are rich in vitamin C, which helps the body to form collagen and elastin, which will keep your skin looking younger and more supple. Orange can prevent skin sagging and may improve firmness. The antioxidant found in orange fight free radicals, which slow down the production of wrinkles and stop premature aging. I'm done peeling the orange, guys. This is the peel. I'm not going to throw this peel away. I use it for my DIY products. I have a lot of DIY products videos which will be coming up on this channel very soon. I'm done peeling and cutting the fruits. Now I want to start blending with my juicer. You can use your normal blender and sieve the fiber later, or you can even take it together with the fiber. They all goes. As we proceed, we'll be discussing the benefit of adding ginger to our healthy and skin glowing juice. Okay, ginger contains antioxidant and toning properties that keep your skin glowing and hydrated. It reduces pigmentations and blemishes and is anti-inflammatory. The work of ginger in this juice is to detox the system and give you that healthy, glowing and flawless skin. But I'm not going to add much because my kids are involved. The benefit of adding grape to this juice is that grape rejuvenates the skin. Grapes are filled with vitamin C and antioxidants. It can help to revitalize your skin, and it gives your skin that youthful and flawless look. With all this point, virtuous family, you will bear with me that the juice we are making can glow your skin perfectly and give your skin that flawless and glowing and beautiful look. We are done. We are done making the juice, virtuous family. On this junction, our healthy and skin glowing juice is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Wow, virtuous people, this is the final look of the healthy and skin glowing fruit juice. It is so inviting and colorful. Can you see that? This is lovely. This is good. To get the best result of this juice, please drink it every day or at least 3 times a week. I am a witness of what this juice does in the skin from inside out, and as well, you will be very healthy. Hope you enjoy watching today's video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this healthy and skin glowing fruit juice and give us your feedback in all our social media handle as usual. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.